This is Roby Matthew Rivera now 26 years old, and I'm from Catalogan City, Samar, Philippines. I am currently under a program which requires us to do a video as a freelancer. It is the RISTT, or the Rural Impact Sourcing Technical Training, which is organized by the Department of Information and Communications Technology, supported by the provincial government of Samar and the Department of Trade and Industry, or the DTI. As for the video that I was talking about earlier, I'm going to show you a video tutorial on the draw and modify commands in Autocad. But first off, let me give you a quick introduction about the topic.
What is CAD? Computer-aided design, or CAD, is the general term that applies to the use of computers in the design of houses, office buildings, interiors, and anything else that previously required hands-on drafting. Now, what is Autocad? Autocad is a specific piece of software used by many architects and designers for commercial design purposes. It is a software that utilizes computer-aided design principles in the modeling of buildings, manufactured goods, urban infrastructure, and even fashion design. If you are an architect or designer, you might use Autocad software to create 2- and 3-dimensional drafts of custom home designs or renovations. Autocad is also widely used in the civil engineering field because of its ability to plan sites a lot easier than hand drawings. The main thing is that if you want to draft any civil engineering structure, may it be 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional, such as buildings, bridges, roads, drainage, pipeline, dams, intersection, etc., with accuracy, speed, and that can be easily edited, Autocad is the best option. Now let's proceed to the main purpose of this video. I'm going to show you some of the draw and modify commands which make the very basics of Autocad. And if you're just starting to learn, then you should know all of these basic commands. Now our first command is a line command, or the L. You just type L, space bar, or enter, specify first point as it says there. I'm just gonna click right here and drag it. You just drag it to where you want your line to go. Like if you want a vertical line, drag it up or down, or horizontal, diagonal. I want it to be horizontal, so I'm gonna drag it right here up to here. Click and then press enter. So I have my line there. But if you want the line with a specific length, you just type L, space bar, or the enter, specify first point, and then I want it to have 3 is a length, and then press enter and enter again. So I have my line there with a specific length of 3. The next command is the circle, or C. Just type C, enter, specify center point per circle, and drag it to the desired size. Enter. Click. Or you can just C, enter, and just specify the radius that you want. For example, I want it to have a radius of 1. Enter. And there I have a circle with a radius of 1. And one more way of creating a circle is to click right here. By the way, this part here is called the ribbon. And this is the quick access toolbar where you can create a blank drawing file, open an existing file, save as, plot, and so on. This right here is the UCS icon, and this cross is called a cursor. Now let's continue. Again, you can just click right here specify center point, and then drag to the desired size. There. Our next command is the rectangle or rec. So I'm just going to type rec or EC, enter, specify first corner point, which is here, drag it to the desired size, and click. So I have my rectangle. Or you can also create a rectangle with this here, and then again specify first corner point and to the desired size. So that's it. Next is the polyline. By the way, polyline is an object in Autocad. It consists of one or more line segments. Our rectangle, just like here, is an example of a polyline. So let's create one. PL. Enter. Specify start point. I want to start here and 3 down to left 3 and close. So we have polyline here. By the way, there's a difference on making an object or a shape using a polyline or a line. Let me show you. I'm gonna make a rectangle using lines. L, enter, specify first point, right is 3, down is 2, left is 3, and up, close. The difference is that a polyline is a grouped line, is composed of grouped lines, while a rectangle made of lines is ungrouped. See the difference? You will have to click it all before it's selected, before the entire region is selected. While in polyline, you just have to click anywhere and the entire region will be selected. This one, the polyline is grouped and the line is ungrouped. So that's it. You don't have to do this one. Next is the call or the command for polygon. This command can be used to make a polygon with a minimum of 3 sides and a maximum of 1024 sides. So creating a polygon, just type POL. Enter the number of sides. So I have 8 sides here. Then type 8. And then enter. Specify center of polygon. Okay, enter again. And drag it. So I have an 8-side polygon there. Let's create a 5-sided polygon. POL, type 5, enter, specify center point, okay, enter again. So there you go. I have a 5-sided polygon or a pentagon. Let's delete this. The next is the arc or ARC. Enter. Click here and click here, and there you have the arc. See what's that? Or you also have it here. So click it and then click arc. Okay, delete again. Next is the EL. EL for ellipse. Ellipse, yes. As the name suggests, this command can be used to make an ellipse with a major and minor axis. So let's type EL, enter, specify axis and point of ellipse here and point and the another end point. So if you want your ellipse to be vertical, you just drag the cursor away from the center point. Or if you want it to be horizontal, you just drag it near the center point. So I wanted to make horizontal blue, so I'm just gonna drag it right there. Or again, there is an ellipse command on the ribbon again, so specify, and another ellipse. So yeah, okay, do it. Next is the, oh my goodness, wait, sorry. Next is the copy or the CO. CO means copy command. This command is used to copy objects in AutoCAD. So if I want to copy something, for example, this one or this one, just click type CO for copy, enter, and specify the base point. There's a key, and drag it to where you want to copy the object, right there, and press enter O. That's it. Another one, copy again, CO, specify base point, right there. Okay, so that's just it. That's just it. So let me end this video here and please watch the second part of this video. Thank you for watching.